So thank you. There is a lot of people. We have been received as President of the Republic or movie stars. So thank you, Vice President of the Regional Bureau, El Bureau. Thank you, Director of CCM. And thank you all the authorities, directors, and excellencies here in Tigray. Actually, I've been here for 2 months only. I arrived in Ethiopia the 10th of March, and I've been already once in Tigray 15 days ago for holidays, and now I'm in Tigray for work, so twice in 2 months. So assuming that I would be staying here for 4 years, which makes 48 months, I would be here 48 times with the same average. Maybe. But it's very nice land, it's a very nice piece of the country, and I appreciate your reception to us. It's very gentle, and it has been really unexpected, at least on my behalf. I know that this is a center which partially is already working, and then it will improve on this maternal care and child care. And this is really a sector of great importance in Africa. Actually, some time ago I used to be a young ambassador. Now I am an old ambassador. And during this passage from young to old, I spent 20 years in Africa. So I know what it means to have a center, a maternal center, a child care center, and I know what is the suffering when a mother cannot give birth immediately, and there are too many complications later on. So it seems to me really a very excellent idea, and I will visit again and again if when it starts at full regime. If you want me to come, I can come. I would like to say something also about the Italian NGO, because in my opinion, after such a long period of time of my career in Africa, I believe that the best part of the Italian people are those who work in the cooperation sector, and especially the NGO, because sometimes for a very small percentage of money, certainly not for money, let's say, but for passion and for participation to the life of the African countries, people, doctors, engineers, and entrepreneurs come and make a very simple life to dedicate to other people who are less fortunate than us. So congratulations to all the directors and the head of the project and everybody. Also to Director Melloni, who is asking to himself why he doesn't mention my name. I mentioned your name. The name of Director Melloni, who is a celebrity now. The ambassador is here, but Melloni is there, because he is patronizing so many projects here in Ethiopia, and is very well known. And it's also a guarantee for a project to be approved in Italy, because if he signed the project, it means that it's a good one, so in Italy they give the money to go on. So I don't want to make the very long speech. I would like again to thank you all, and to say that I hope to see, not only in Tigray, but also in the other regions, many other projects that I'm ready to inaugurate together with my staff. I would like to thank all my staff, because we are a small soccer team, 11 people approximately, today here in Tigray. And so thank you a lot, and we will come again and again, and we will see each other again. Thank you a lot. Grazie.